What's the meaning of address bar? Address bar. Address bar. Address bar. Address bar. Address bar. The address bar is a graphical element in a web browser that displays the URL of the website currently being viewed. It also provides a means for users to enter the address of a specific website they wish to visit. When a user types a website address into the address bar and presses enter, the browser sends a request to the server hosting the website, which then responds by sending the requested web page back to the browser. In summary, the address bar serves as an interface for users to navigate the web and access specific websites.